guys, it's me, Alex Wong, and I got another squishy package. Woohoo! I opened it already, and trust me, this is like not fake. I didn't get scammed, and look. I squished this before the video, and it is not even rising! Oh my gosh! That's how squishy this is. So I'm going to squish it for you in the packaging. It's I normally would not take this out of packaging, but I will right now, so yeah. Kind of this cute little tag. Yeah. So Jonah. Oh no, the bow break. But whatever. But I'm just gonna tighten this. So I am just gonna. So yeah, and here is the cute little tag. The bow broke. Look. 可以 retie 翻係咪啊?
Of course.
And here's the cute little tag. And now here's the cake. It is such a complex packaging. Here's the golden plate.
That's a brand name.
It's so shiny. And now let's give it a squish. It's too squishy.
Oh my god.
Oh my gosh! It's too squishy!
It's not even rising.
Yeah. Is this ever gonna come? It will come back though. Okay, it's not even coming back on these sides. This is squishier than my sister's. A lot. So I love this so much. Oh my god. But anyway, I'm gonna get the eye bloom. Strawberry. So okay, so here's the strawberry stem leaf. Smells like strawberries. Squish. Test. It's very squishy, but not as squishy as the cake, but it's pretty squishy, as you see. So yeah, it's very slow rising. So thank you very much for watching. If you want to buy these squishies, go on AliExpress, and yeah, bye!